Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be using Nishman Hair Styling Powder P1. Stay tuned for tips.
I ain't tryna bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown.
Nishman P1 Hair Styling Powder. It will give you a great volume, texture and light control with a natural matte finish throughout the whole day.
You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah, I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gave no fucks, I ain't scamming, you know black men.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.